Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something special. So we're gonna be doing some restoration on the MR2, and this is something I did on the E30 before, and that is the wheel wells. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys the process and how to restore the wheel wells and make them look fresh again. So this is what it currently looks like. It's gonna look completely different, guys. It's probably never been like cleaned in this area for sure. What I'm gonna do is just remove all of this.
Cheese.
So I went ahead and pulled everything out. You can do this without pulling everything out. All you have to do is just mask everything and you should be good to go. But for me, since we're gonna do coilovers on this car, it only makes sense to pull everything out. Now that I pressure washed it, I'm gonna go in with this Ecolab degreaser. You could use any type of degreaser you want. Use Purple Power, use Simple Green if you'd like. So what I did is I put it in the bottle, and now what I'm gonna do is just spray it all over the wheel well and even on the suspension components. That way it can clean up really nice. So I'm just gonna do that. Just spray this everywhere, get it nice and clean. So after just one pass of letting the degreaser sit on there and hitting it with the power washer, look how good it looks. Yeah, just one pass, it's already good. So the next step is to agitate and just pretty much clean this area up. And I'm gonna show you how to do that with just some simple household tools. But this is all you guys need, some Dawn power wash just to clean and agitate the wheel well. So I'm just gonna spray this stuff on there. And we're gonna get the cleaning. My wife is watching this. She'll probably edit this video. She'll see that I'm just excessively, quote unquote, adding this on there.
A few moments later.
Don't overuse my Dawn power wash.
What do you mean by overuse it?
You always like spray the whole bottle.
All right, so next up, I'm just gonna use this bristle brush. She's gonna be pissed. But this is what we use to clean the dishes. This is an old one that we had, and I just kept it, but my wife got really mad when I used a fresh one to do this on the E30. Camera, but look at the difference, guys. You could see the subframe, and even this tie rod here was completely black. Look at it, it actually has color. Even the tape here, you guys can see, is yellow. Before it was just black. So it looks so good, guys. All right, so right now I'm letting it dry and then spray the wheel well. Even without spraying it, it looks a lot cleaner. Like, guys, check this out. Just look at this. So what I'm gonna do next is just mask everything. That way, when I spray, it doesn't get on it. So all I use is some basic trash bag and some tape, and that's it. Just mask everything to make sure that overspray doesn't get on any of the components or on the car itself. I just spent like an hour cleaning it. Okay, papi lo va a limpiar. Then you clean it if it's dirty. I finished masking up the car and it looks not the greatest, but it's gonna do the job. So what I have here is Duplicolor's rubberized undercoating sound dampening. They actually sent this stuff to me a while back ago. What I'm gonna do is spray this all inside of here and it should look like new. Check it out. This is after about 2 coats of paint. It turned out night and day difference. I'm so happy with the results, guys. And you can do this too at home. It's super easy, not that hard. And it's just gonna make the car look a lot better, even especially when you're taking those wheels off. You get us, babe.
I got us the birria.
Birria, let's get it. So, thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Come un bite. Enséñale. ¿Está rico? Tell them if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn those notification bells on. See them in the next one. Peace.